What's going on, guys? It's B7 Mike. Today we're doing a product overview on our HSP-D-394 Deluxe Bundle for the LBZ Duramax. We like to bundle these kits together for you guys to save you on your initial purchase, but even when it comes time to do the install. Doing it all at once could potentially save you a good few hours of labor. Another thing I like to mention, depending on color, getting everything done in the same batch, like especially our custom color guys, highly encourage you to get as much done as possible at one time. With this kit, you're gonna get our 000 3-inch hot side intercooler pipe. This tube does conveniently fit the 01 to 10 Duramax. It is constructed out of 3-inch aluminized steel. It is mandrel-bent. And one of the big things I like about this kit, or this particular piece, is how we've redesigned from the factory. So you'll notice on your factory tube, at the intercooler connection, it enters the intercooler at a real nasty angle, where ours comes with this 3x4 straight boot. Again, moving that air in and out of the motor, smooth transitions in, smooth transitions out. Simple recipe for making good power. Moving that air, baby. This is our full intake setup. So it includes our 003 HSP mouthpiece, and then this here for the LBZ guys is our 302 HSP intake. We also bundle this as our 081 HSP intake. So what's included is our 3.5-inch VGT mouthpiece. We transition from 3.5 to 4.5 to our 4.5-inch high flow intake. We got a nice heat shield box to block out the underhood heat, keeping those intake air temperatures down as close to ambient temperature as possible. What I always like to share with you guys is for every rise in temperature from ambient, you're gonna lose horsepower. So if it's 80 degrees out and your intake air temps reading 90, for each one of those degrees, that 10-degree difference, you're probably losing, anywhere 15, if not 30 horsepower potentially. So for me, after I installed, I do as I say, not as I do. I bought everything in pieces. And as soon as I was done with the intercooler pipes and the intake, I was left with these two. Factory coolant tank is real yellow, can get nasty and gross. It's known for cracking at the seam. So although these two coolant accessories may not make you run any cooler, they definitely make you look cooler, and it certainly ties up the underhood of the truck. Especially here in Michigan, our upper coolant tubes, they get rusty, they just look lousy. And like I said, that yellow tank next to these nice powder coated pieces, it's just an eyesore. Included in this kit is gonna be our factory replacement coolant tank. Part number on this guy is a 027-HSP, fits our 01 to 07 Classic. It's also backed with a lifetime warranty. Unlike your factory piece, when it fails, you're buying a new one. If this piece ever lets you down, we're gonna back it with a lifetime warranty, so you can buy with good confidence. Another item included with the kit is gonna be our 041. This is our forward-facing thermostat housing kit. We're sure to include everything needed to pursue the install. So one thing you'll notice is with this kit, you're gonna get a new oil fill neck and fan shroud bracket. Obviously, you're gonna get the new forward-facing billet thermostat housing, 2 rubber boots, and the upper coolant tube. This kit will work perfect with your factory VGT turbo in the valley. We provide you with the barb fitting and the water return line. If you happen to upgrade down the line, we also provide you with the necessary components to do so. Once this is installed under the hood, really frees up serviceability, cleanliness. You don't have a nasty tube going over your driver's side valve cover any longer. Everything really ties together the underhood, adding these extra 2 goodies here. So that's gonna cover the overview for our HSP-D-394 Deluxe Bundle Kit for all you LBZ guys out there. Now, I might be B7 Mike, but I can definitely help you guys out with the LBZs, the LMLs, whatever you got. Follow the link below, check out the website, hit us up, we'll get you fixed up.